I'm going to tell you how I realized I needed to apply Joan's method to myself and couldn't rely on someone else's judgment. Before studying the method, I had a major personal issue to resolve. So since I had already benefited from the method, I decided to book a private consultation, which wasn't cheap at all. And when I had that consultation, not only did I not experience any change, but the person who gave it left me feeling completely drained, discouraged, and with a sense that I had wasted my money. That's when I understood I had to apply the method myself, because I was absolutely certain and convinced that Joan's method worked as it had worked for me many times before. So I committed myself and started studying consistently and frequently until I finally achieved those transformations and significant changes that you can see in me today. If you're in the same situation I was in, I invite you to study level 1 with me. I'd love to share with you the tools and all the benefits you can gain from this method. If you want more information, you'll find a direct WhatsApp link in the description of this video for further details.